How to remove payment method from Facebook ads account. Hi everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video we're gonna learn how we can remove payment method from Facebook ad account. So without any further delay, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share and subscribe icon. So first thing first, open up your facebook.com and log in into your account. After that, just simply go to your profile and go to settings and privacy. And under settings and privacy, go to settings. Just click on settings. After that, it will navigate you to next page, and here go to account center. After that, going to account center, you'll be able to see bunch of options here, but I just want you to scroll down until you are able to see MetaPay. Or if you have already added your payment method, you'll be able to see a payment method option directly on your account settings. Since we haven't added, if you have added your debit or credit card here on your payment method, you will be redirected to another page where they will show you your card details. So what you're gonna do is simply click on that card details, and at the side of it, it will a three dot will appear. So you just need to click on that and simply hit that remove option and confirm it, and that payment method will be removed. So therefore, just follow the step and you should be able to do that. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.